I like the challenge of can I breathe new life into this instrument? That's good. When I retired 4 years ago, I had promised myself that when I retired, I would learn to play the fiddle or the violin. And one of my favorite fiddles broke. And I looked at it and I said, and I've always been a woodworker. I've made lots of things over the years. I looked at that broken neck on a fiddle and I said, you know, I think I can fix that. So I converted part of my study into a fiddle shop. I'll get a chisel out. So I acquire generally broken or abused fiddles, and I spend my free time restoring them. This is really in bad shape. These fiddles are all destined to be donated through Iowa State Instrument Collection. I give them to the schools for entry-level beginning violinists. Any of us that have been in band or music rooms know that instruments take a lot of abuse. So I patch them up and take them over to Iowa State Center, and the Iowa State Center then contacts local schools. So the violins eventually end up in the hands of beginning students. When I was that age, my folks couldn't afford a musical instrument, and the school had a clarinet. I remember how important that was. And so this is sort of a way to kind of repay my experience, but also pay it forward. I just hope that they go and they inspire some young people to take up the violin and enjoy it as much as I do. It's an extension of my joy of music to the next generation. Breathing new life into old instruments is a passion of mine.